Hello and welcome to my awesome health journey. I, of course, am Brett Dupree and my awesome health journey. What am I doing? Oh man, that's not as fun anymore. So as you see, I shaved my head. I mean, this is a weekly update. I'll tell why I shaved my head. Honestly, in case you're wondering, I shaved my head for simple reasons. Number one, I was just getting sick of it. Just like the hair was just kind of bothering me. I wanted a haircut, but I also didn't know what I wanted. I didn't. Yeah, I just didn't know. I didn't know how I wanted to style it. I didn't know if I just wanted it shorter. I didn't know if I wanted to do anything else. Sick of like hair getting into my drain or finding hair in my food, and just like it's like what the heck. And so when I got it shaved, I got it shaved at just Great Clips, and I asked the lady like what the lady's like, what do you want to do with your head? I was like, just shave it all. And yeah, it's like you don't even have to get it like close by. Just shave it to the lowest thing. I just want the easiest thing possible. She asked me like 3 times if I was sure, but so yeah. And it's like what 2 years of growth, I think, with only one haircut in between. But honestly, I also didn't really want to take care of it and make it look good, right? Like going out and having hairs kind of mishmash and not looking great. But when I got it to the curls to look nice, it looked really good. I really liked that way it looked. But yeah, it's just too much. Plus, I have a fine shaved head. I mean, I think I've told the story before. When I was like 8, I got my head shaved because when my family moved to Georgia, I got lice, and it was real hard to get. I had a big fro, huge fro, back when my hair could actually stand up and not just go down to be here. It used to stand up and be fro-ish. I kind of miss the fro days. I wish my hair could still do that. A fro would be fun, but and so number one, lice sucks. I mean, not only is it gross to have bugs in your hair, like getting them out sucks. The shampoo hurts, probably because the lice are biting your head, and then you put this stingy shampoo that's kills, so it stings your head, and then you have to take this ridiculous fine tooth comb and try to strip off all the eggs. But when your hair is big and curly, combing it with like a pick sucks. But a fine tooth comb, and it's disgusting because it's like they're combing you combing your hair, and bugs are coming out. That's gross. At least it was for me. But after getting lice like 3 times, my parents were like, "Forget this. Let's just shave his head." And then I went to school, and all the kids laughed at me, and I thought I had a weird shaved head. But I remember last time I shaved my head, which was I think 4 years ago, 5 years ago. Yeah, it was 5 years ago. I was surprised by how well it looked, to be honest. I have a nice, I have a nicely shaped head. I mean, there's no like, it doesn't point up. There's no, yeah, it's a nice shaped head. It's a good look for me. Even though when I do this, I really see my like I know I look like my dad a lot. Like I have his eyes and his small ears, and I have certain features, but like the shape of my skull is much more my mom's side because I really see my grandpa. Like I've done this old thing. I like I age my face and I look like my mom's dad, and I can see my like how my uncle Michael kind of looks like him, and yeah, I can just see that kind of like that Uncle Michael look in my face. Um, but yeah, that's the story of my shaved head. But I also want to say, like, last week was great in this term of working out. If you remember, December was awful. My entire body hurt. I think it was from switching from Ozempic to Victoza, and I think this like the difference in the way that hits my hormones just caused a lot of inflammation, maybe some gout flare-ups, and it hurt. That was an entire month. Like every week was a new pain, and wasn't able to get back until like January 6th. I think it was my first workout, and that first week I was only able to do 2 workouts before like I pulled my hamstrings, and then the week after I was able to do 3 workouts, and this one I did 4. And the cool part about this 4 workout one is like I was, I'm feeling stronger. I'm not completely up to where I was slash early November when before my ankle hurt and I had to slow down things, but I'm really close. I feel like next week or the week after I'll be like 100% back to where I was as I continue to push myself. And yeah, this first week has been great on the workout transformation at Orange Theory, trying to encourage the habits that I have. I even bought a thing of ice cream to help the mental aspect of being able to have that kind of food in my house and not overindulge, or be fine if I do overindulge, because I don't want to get into that negative mindset again. But that is also part of the process for me of being able to have something and not just eat it all, but to, so yeah. No, I'm doing fine. I'm doing great. My eating has been pretty good. My working out's been great. So it's been a very good week. I'm extremely happy, and yeah. So that's my week. I'm very happy to be able to work out 4 times in 1 week. Because I have health goals, and I feel like I'm getting closer and closer to realizing them, and I'm hoping the next 2 months are great in helping me reach that. So love you for who you are, and have an amazing day.